Hello everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another episode of Tossed and Found, the weekly show all about thrift and rescuing used items, well, sometimes used items, secondhand items. Today's haul is one that I don't get to do too often. It is kind of like an anime pop culture haul type deal. I don't know really what to name it as. It's kind of like an anime haul. Which is good, because that means it's not made for kids. It is, in fact, made for big kids like me, adults, which is great. But yeah, we have an anime haul here, and this whole box is full of, like, there's some manga in here, and some figurines, and stuff, related items. So we're just gonna jump right into it, and see what we got. These are from a couple different places, but I've had to like compile them in one video because I didn't have enough from one sale to the next to make a whole video from one lot. But yeah, we're gonna go through this big box of goodies. Whoa. As I move it off to the side. Wait, I don't have room on the side. Okay, never mind. We're gonna do this a little differently. It's gonna go on that side. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna grab out is all the manga that's in here. So I do have a fairly large manga collection. I'm trying to downsize it right now, so I've been getting rid of some books to make room for others that I want. But I still buy it, especially when it's cheap. Generally, people end up selling manga or like other books for around like 25-50 cents each, which is awesome for me. So we have a whole bunch of books here I paid 25 cents each for. Some of them I'm more excited about than others, and these are all from the same sale. So we have Paradise Kiss Volume 5. I only own Paradise Kiss Volume 2. That's the only other Paradise Kiss volume I own, but I do think it's a decent series. It's an older series, one that I read a long time ago when I started reading manga. So yeah, if I can find volumes in that series, I'll probably keep them. Then we have volume 17 of Rave Master. I'm going to rehome this one, resell it, because I don't read Rave Master. I'm not really interested in it, but we have that. It's in really good condition. These are all in pretty good condition. Then we have The Rising Stars of Manga. I do not know what this series is. Maybe I'll take a look at it. Maybe it'll be rehomed. I'm not too sure yet. And then what I'm really excited about are Volume 1 and 2 of Lucky Star. I really like Lucky Star. I think it's pretty funny. I watched it right after watching Melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya, so like I think that's the way to do it. You watch Melancholy and then you watch Lucky Star. It kind of helps with your enjoyment of Lucky Star. But yeah, I really, really like Lucky Star. So we have the first 2 volumes of the Lucky Star manga. And these are in really nice condition. And also, I love how thin they are. Like, they're taller, but they're super thin, so they don't take up as much space on a bookshelf, which is awesome. So, yeah, these will be going into my collection for sure. So, like, 3, maybe 4 for my collection, and then 1, maybe 2 to be rehomed. But I think that's pretty good. So we have those. Then we have... Oh, I got some items at this, like, local like geek garage sale in my area for $1 each. Let me try and get all of them out. Whoa, okay. So most of these are for me. This one isn't. This is I don't know, something One Piece related. It's a keychain. I have a friend who reads One Piece. She really likes One Piece. She's cosplayed from it before, so I bought this for her, and I'm going to give it to her the next time I see her. And then I bought all these Pinky Street dolls, or Pinky Saint. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I bought them because they were each $1, and I think that they're really cute. And as you guys know, I love dolls and cute things. I don't know any of these characters' names. I obviously can't read the packaging since I only speak English, French, and a bit of German. But yeah. That is, this is the first doll. She's got little fangs, she's so cute, and they're like, their heads come off, and they basically have these, like, you switch out their outfits and stuff that way. I don't plan to take these out of their boxes, though, since they are in their boxes. Our next one is a cheerleader. and she's got a sort of like school uniform and a little backpack, and I think the little backpack is really adorable. So is the school uniform. I like the way that they've done the pleated skirt. All the painting on these seems to be really, really nice. As you can see, the like top separates from the legs, and then the head separates from the tops, so you can switch them out that way, and create different outfits, especially if you have multiple dolls. Again, I won't be doing it because I'm keeping them in their package. Then we have this one. She looks really determined. I think she's a convenience store worker, given that she has this like visor that can be switched out, and then an apron, and oh, probably a gas station. That's probably a gas can, and fire. So yeah, that's pretty cute. So that's her. Oh, is she? That's her wearing the uniform with the wearing this uniform with this school bag, but they're different characters. Interesting. And these ones come with more accessories. This one just comes with an outfit and a pin. And then this last one also comes with a pin. I don't know what find your own one means. Again, I don't know what at all these are related to. I just think that they're really, really adorable. She is super cool. She is full of attitude. I like the little teddy bear too. That's cute. But I like this outfit. I like the attitude. I like her face a lot. I did grab one of these out just to compare when I did my Capsule Chicks opening, so you've probably already seen one of them because I took it out of the box to compare. But yeah, I really like these dolls. If I ever find more of them, I don't think I will, but if I ever find more of them for a cheap price, I will buy them. It's super cool to find toys that are still in their original packaging, because this one has stickers or something attached to the back of her. I'm kind of curious as to what that is, but I don't want to take it out, so yeah. But I'm gonna keep these in their boxes and just display them on my shelf. I think they're really, really cute, and for $1 each, that's a great price. Yeah. Alright, what else is in this box? Woo! Oh, alright, next, woo, we have a deck box. It's full of cards. I have no idea what they're related to, so hopefully someone in the comments can tell me. I actually got these with the manga. I paid 50 cents for these cards. I don't know what they are, and yet I paid for them, but they were really cheap. So they have like the vocaloid characters on them, and then they also have the melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya on them. I like characters from those. I have no idea what game this is. It's obviously some sort of game. So cute. So there's lots of, oh, that one's really shiny. Okay. They're cute. Anyways, there's a whole bunch of these cards, and I don't know what they're related to. They do say white and black on the back, Vice Schwarz, but I don't know. I have no idea. I honestly have no idea. I'm gonna keep them with my other like trading card collections for now, but since I don't know what they are, it's kind of like confusing me. So if anyone can give me some information, I'll definitely look them up on my own. But if anyone has information on this game, these cards, let me know, because I now own some, so that would be really, really useful. And we have 3 more items in this box, so I'm going to take those out. Boop. Alright, so 3 more items. Got 2 figures, and I got, first of all, the Anime Deck 2 expansion for Superfight. I believe I paid $1 for this. Superfight being a card game, and then there are expansions for Superfight, or sometimes you could just play with just the small versions of the cards. So anyways, I got that to go with my board and card game collections. Then we have 2 random figures here. The first one is an amiibo I picked up from it was in a bin at a sale for items for 25 cents each. So I picked that up for 25 cents because it's a really cute figure, and I like Animal Crossing. It's like the Nooks or whatever, I think those are. And yeah, it's an amiibo figure, but it is pretty cute. I like it. Very well made. It'll probably sit with like some of my video games on a shelf. Just looking cute there. And then finally we have a Pop Funko of, oh my god, what's his name? Spike? Is his name Spike? From Cowboy Bebop. But yeah, we have a Pop Funko of him. He was $1. I don't really collect the Funko Pops much. I have a couple, like I have a Twilight Sparkle one, I have a, oh, what else? I have some Orange Is the New Black ones and stuff, but he was $1. And he'll go nicely with my other, like, on my manga shelf or something. Anyway, basically picked him up. He's kind of cute. I'm not complaining at all. So that concludes our little haul for today, our sort of like anime, pop culture, video game type haul. I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't really pay more than I think $1, or yeah, I don't think I paid more than $1 for anything here, which is always a plus. That's kind of the goal. And also I'm giving these items a new home. These little dolls I think are so cute, and I can't wait to put them up on my shelf with my other inbox dolls and just have them look super cute there. So they're definitely my favorite thing from this haul. They were such a great find. I'm also really happy to have the Lucky Star manga, and it's always nice to pick up a little something for a friend. It's great when you're thrifting to think about the other people in your life, because sometimes you'll find something that maybe you don't like, but it's like, oh, my friend's really into this. Like I've picked up, one of my other friends, I pick up Jurassic Park stuff for her sometimes because she's really into Jurassic Park, and it's just nice. Make someone smile, especially when things are like still in the packaging. But yeah, aside from that, thank you guys all so much for watching. If you liked this video, I do make videos like this every single week, so if you enjoyed it, maybe consider checking out another video. If you also enjoyed that one, maybe consider subscribing. It's all up to you. Aside from that, I hope you guys are having an awesome day wherever you are in the world. Good luck in your future thrifting adventures, and keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!